You understand? But the most important one, I like girl that can hold fridge for me. I like girl that can touch her toes. You dey understand? I like girl that will remove her head from the window and be like, baby, neighbors, it's paining me, it's sweetening me, baby, my boy, it's doing it faster, baby, faster, faster, baby, stop, don't stop, baby, faster, baby.
Over.